Hi, Kamara babes. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kanita, and if you are new, welcome. The hair that I will be doing today is from In Love With. Did y'all hear me? In Love With store. So the hair is a body wave bundles with a 4x4 free part lace closure. It's also 100% human hair. The bundles inches are 16, 18, and 20. The closure is 14 inches. It's also unprocessed Brazilian body wave human hair. Y'all know a sister loves Brazilian hair, y'all. Also, the total price for this is $96.69, you guys. So, very affordable. Again, if you would like to know everything that I use in this video, please don't forget to check that description box, ladies. Hit that description box after the video. So, as you guys can see, y'all, I'm in love with this hair. I mean, because it is super pretty. Super pretty. I mean, the weft is super thick. Y'all know a sister look. I like thick wefts because that lets me know the hair is gonna be, they have a good amount enough of hair on this weft, and it's super thick. You guys don't have to use the whole 3 bundles. That's how thick it is. It's thick from the top to the bottom. It did not clarify what type of closure this was, but you guys, A1 in melting. So if I said it, you know first. The closure even looked like it was plucked a little bit, but of course us sister always do a little bit extra plucking. So, and you have that free part to whatever style that you're trying to do. You have that 4x4, you know, closure part to part it as freely as you would like in the top. So ladies, let's get ready for this install. Hi, Kamara babes, and thank you guys so much for making it to the install part. As you guys can see, this is a whole new video. I decided to do the install on my head. I was gonna make a wig, but I decided to do it on my head because I know it's something else that I want to do with this. So that's why I decided not to do the wig. I'm doing it on myself. As you guys can see, I have the cap already on. My hair is flat, super flat as I can get it, and we're gonna start doing the steps, so make sure you guys pay close attention to this quick weave install. And the next time we'll probably do a weave because we do have other bundles waiting. So I hope you guys enjoy this hair. I love this hair so far. It bleached very well. I didn't get any shedding during the washing process or any of that. So that's really it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope you guys seen that new color that we're trying. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Stay tuned for the end results. Thank you, ladies, for staying so much for this part, and enjoy the video.
Drop top Porsche, rollie on my wrist, diamonds up and down my chain. Cardi B straight stunning, can't tell me nothing. Bossed up and I changed the game. It's my big bronze boogie, got all them girls shook. My big fat ass got all them boys cooked. Went from dollar bills, now we popping rubber bands. Bruno sang to me while I do my money dance like, hey. Flexing on the gram like, hey. Hit that Lil Jon, okay. Oh yeah, we dripping and finesse and getting paid.
Ooh, don't we look good together? There's a reason why they watch all night long. Woo. Yeah, I know we'll turn heads forever. So tonight I'm gonna show you off. When I walk with you, I watch the whole room change. Baby, that's what you do. No, my baby don't play. Blame it on my confidence, or blame it on your measurements. Shut the shit down on sight. That's right. We out here dripping in finesse. It don't make no sense. Out here dripping in finesse. You know it, you know. We out here dripping in finesse. It don't make no sense. Out here dripping in finesse. You know it, you know it. Now slow it down for me, baby. 'Cause I love the way it feels when we grind. Yeah, our connection's so magnetic on the floor. Nothing can stop us tonight. When I'm walking with you, I watch the whole room change. Baby, that's what you do. No, my baby don't play. Blame it on my confidence, or blame it on your measure. house invited. So gonna get to clapping. Go pop it for a plan, pop it for me. Turn around and drop it for a plan, drop it for me. I'll rent a beach house in Miami. Wake up with no jammies. Lobster tail for dinner. Julio served that scampi. You got it if you want it. Got it if you want it. Said you got it if you want it. Take my wallet if you want it now. Jump in the Cadillac. Girl, let's put some miles on it. Anything you want, just to put a smile on it. You deserve it, baby. You deserve it all. And I'm gonna give it to you. Gold jewelry shining so bright. Strawberry champagne on us. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Sex by the fire at night. Silk sheets and diamonds, all white. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. I'm talking trips to Puerto Rico. Say the word and we go. You can be my flica. Girl, I'll be a flico, mamacita. I would never make a promise that I can't keep. I promise that your smile ain't gonna never leave. Shopping sprees in Paris. Everything 24 carats. Take a look in that mirror. Now tell me who's the fairest. Is it you? Is it you? Is it me? Is it me? Say it's us. Say it's us. And I'll agree, baby. Jump in the Cadillac. Girl, let's put some miles on it. Anything you want, just to put a smile on it. You deserve it, baby. You deserve it all. And I'm gonna give it to you. Gold jewelry shining so bright. Strawberry champagne on us. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Sex by the fire at night. Silk sheets and diamonds, all white. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. You say you want a good time, but here I am, baby. Here I am, baby. Talk to me, talk to me, tell me what's on your mind. If you want it, girl, come and get it. All this is here for you. Tell me, baby, tell me, baby, what you tryna do? Gold jewelry shining bright. Strawberry champagne on us. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Sex by the fire at night. Silk sheets and diamonds, all white. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like.
Yeah, come on.
Please me, baby. Turn around and just tease me, baby. You got what I want and what I need, baby.
Let me hear you say,
Please,
let me hear you say.
please. Please me, baby. Turn around and just tease me, baby. You got what I want and what I need, baby.
Let me hear you say,
Please,
let me hear you say.
please.
Lollipopping, twerking in some J's on the dance floor. No panties in the way. I take my time with it. Bring you close to me. Don't want no young dumb shit. Better fuck me like we listening to Jodeci. I was trying to lay low, taking it slow. When I'm fucking again, hey, gotta celebrate. If your man look good, but put him away. If you can sweat the weave out, you shouldn't even be out. There no reservations at the pussy, you gon' eat out. I'm gonna ride it, do it just how you like it tonight. And after that, let's do it one more time.
Girl, I ain't one for begging, but now you got me begging. Please me, baby. Turn around and just tease me, baby. You got what I want and what I need, baby.
Let me hear you say,
Please,
let me hear you say.
please. Please me, baby. Turn around and just tease me, baby. You got what I want and what I need, baby.
Let me hear you say,
Please,
let me hear straight. Hit it one time, make it levitate. Titties are like blackout. Bro, bitches, watch out now. Your pussy basura, my pussy horchata. I'm gonna ride it, do it just how you like it tonight. And after that, let's do it one more time.
Girl, I ain't one for begging, but now you got me begging. Please me, babe. Turn around and just tease me, babe. You got what I want and what I need, baby.
Let me hear you say,
Please,
let me hear you say,
please. Come on back and look for me. Come on, twerk it on me slowly. Girl, let me put this loving on you.
you better say that shit. Credit don't play that shit. Do my back like I do these records, break that shit.
Tease me, baby. Turn around and tease me, baby. You got what I want and need, baby.
Let me hear you say,
Please,
let me hear you say,
please me, baby. Turn around and tease me, baby. You got what I want and need,
let me
baby.
hear you say,
Please,
let me hear you say.
please.
Yeah, come on.
Please me, baby. Turn around and just tease me, baby. You got what I want and what I need, baby.
Let me hear you say,
Please,
let me hear you say.
please. Please me, baby. Turn around and just tease me, baby. You got what I want and what I need, baby.
Let me hear you say,
Please,
let me hear you say.
please.
Lollipopping, twerking in some J's on the dance floor. No panties in the way. I take my time with it. Bring you close to me. Don't want no young dumb shit. Better fuck me like we listening to Jodeci. I was trying to lay low, taking it slow. When I'm fucking again, hey, gotta celebrate. If your man look good, better put him away. If you can sweat the weave out, you shouldn't even be out. There no reservations at the pussy, you gon' eat out. I'm gonna ride it, do it just how you like it tonight. And after that, let's do it one more time.
Girl, I ain't one for
Yes, ladies, we have made it to the end result. Y'all, this color is popping. I said that I was coming back because that one video, if you haven't already watched it, go watch it. It was a disaster. But this one, you guys, it turned out perfect. As you guys can see, this hair is beautiful. I love this hair. It's super bouncy, super pretty. Y'all, there's no sheen, shine, nothing. This is the hair. What you seeing is what you getting. And honey, it's pretty. As you guys can see, I love the end result. So ladies, thank you guys. I love you. To the next video.